Hi, I'm Marilyn Wiley, and welcome to Homesteading with Marilyn. Today's a really special day. We got invited to our neighbor's house for their annual Redneck Squirrel Fry. So today we're going to share some different types of squirrel that we're going to be having delicious dining with today. And I know your question is, what kind of wine do you use with squirrel? I don't have the answer to that, but maybe someone else does. This is Sherry, and she's our squirrel cook today, and she's going to tell you about the two different types of squirrel she has ready. Now, our forefathers ate anything that moved to survive, and we should never turn our nose up at something that in another country or even down in the South people eat on a regular basis. Don't be afraid of eating squirrel. It's pretty darn good.
My husband and children are the ones that do all the hunting. My husband told the kids, if you're going to shoot it, you're going to eat it. So we're figuring out over the years of how to cook it. Here I've just done like a pan fry with like chicken, just like you would chicken. You can do it in the larger pieces like that, or it might be a little faster to cook them small. My husband made this. He used a carne asada recipe out of our Mexican cookbook. We haven't tried it that way, but it looks awesome.
Looks delicious.
And it'll be moist and tender and not dry and chewy, and hopefully it'll be a really good hit. We like teriyaki too. It's always good.
Some other recipes you can do with squirrel are bacon wrapped squirrel, barbecued squirrel, chicken fried squirrel, squirrel kebabs, squirrel pizza. And don't forget squirrel pot pie, one of my favorites. Thanks for watching.